make a call and get Philip man involved.
Wake your ass up and go get to the money. Wake your ass up and go get to the money. Wake your ass up and go get to the money. Wake your ass up and go get to the money. Wake your ass up and go get to the money. Wake your ass up and go get to the money.
Cropped. Do I have sound?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
This is this racist?
Racist?
Racist.
How?
Some kumbayastis.
I was put this down.
Let's get it.
Phrasing, my friend, phrasing. But we're back. I'm coming back with ignorance this time, my friend.
Another one.
Back. BoomMicWonder, it's episode Asas. But we're here. Saffosh. Anyways, guys, today we've got a special guest. You can see Freddy. He's here to teach us about a couple of things. Introduce yourself, Doug.
By the Amen. I no longer go by the name Freddy, just to put that out there. So uMakhosi Vungwane. So yeah, uMakhosi Vungwane, 27, I think. Newlands, Durban. That's where I met. Yeah, I don't know what else you want me to say, but ningathuki mangikhuluma izingisi bafethu uphinde ngibe sangoma futhi yazi abantu bese babuye bethwaye bethi awethu azishapi la fethu asikhuluma izingisi lo sangoma apho ikhuluma isiZulu. So yeah, just don't mind that. Kodwa yeah guys, uMakhosi Vungwane, abanye bangazi ngobuthelezi because that's my surname, but uMakhosi Vungwane from now on.
And on that note, like how do you come about getting because I know when you start your spiritual journey you didn't get a title, because I wouldn't say it's a name like uMakhosi Vungwane. It's not a name that you were born with, but I know it's ihlangene nokuthi uhambo lakho lokuthi ube umuntu obonisayo noma osiza abantu spiritually iqhamuka kanjani leyo nto. That's one of the questions I wanted to know. So since you're on that topic, fella. So igama, like it works different for like different people, let's say, or igode ehlukile. So mina kahle njengoba bathi ngichazile ukuthi abanye bangazi ngobuthelezi, you know what I'm saying, that's my surname. So uVungwane, where it comes from, it's a long story, but I'm gonna try cut it short. So uVungwane comes from my biological mother. So I didn't know I was adopted from the age of, since I was a kid, so fethu kwadlula isikhathi ngangena fethu kuyinkamba fethu like ukuthwasa, and then so turns out ukuthi khona esinye isibongo kumele ngabe ngiyasimemeza, but luckily uma wangichazela my mother ukuthi I'm adopted, yabo naye futhi she told me at the older age khona ngizokwazi ukunderstand, ngizokwazi ukubalansisa nengqondo. So
did you do it before you started ukuthwasa or
ukwenze njani
to tell you that you're adopted?
She told me I was adopted before ngithwasa.
Oh, okay.
So when singithwasa, it wasn't like a shocker to me ukuthi ayikhona esinye isibongo esifuna ukusebenza la kuwena. So that's how I got to uVungwane. Thina we normally just use ibongo, hayi ukuthi ugogo ubani noma umkhulu ubani. We just use isibongo nje kuphela. So that's how uMakhosi Vungwane came about.
Dr. Vungwane.
Basically. Okay. Sure. My man. Now you talk.
I get you, dog. I feel like within most of us, speaking for myself in particular, like I've started knowing more about and to balance the two between religion and customs. So Naleonto is, I think, a good topic that we could also unpack based on umuntu enzile lento, because it is still taboo for some. Like njengoba Desho ukuthi isingisi understand, so he can still walk up in an establishment edinga ukuthi wazi isingisi, and then umuntu aqaya phansi abe nama superstitions ukuthi akufanele ngabe la, as if khona indawo efanele.
But obviously it's like peacocky though. Everywhere it goes, it's gonna stand out.
Exactly. Yeah. So in your sake, how do you have a problem in adjusting into becoming in spaces where people are not yet to understand ukubaleka kwemisebenzi yakho?
I mean, I'm still adjusting myself, like to like lento engiyona manje. Like angakafiki kwabanye abantu outside the circle of ukuthi mina I'm still trying to understand. I don't care what anybody says. Because it doesn't make a difference. Whether that person says you're not supposed to be here, whether that person says you're supposed to be here, it doesn't fucking matter. You know why? Because lentally inami, imailana nami, I have to look in the mirror and say, hey yo, I gotta deal with that monster. Type of thing. Okay. So okwamanje if I won't lie, it's because it was 1 year, 8 months. Okay. So I'm still trying to adjust. I'm still trying to adjust. Every day I'm like, damn, am I supposed to do this? Or like I get scared, oh shit, am I supposed to do this? So I'm still trying to adjust.
I feel like it's a thing where there's no guidelines of how to go about it. So every day is like a learning.
I feel like I corner, but some guidelines are sugar. There's like time goes by, you need to make it your own way.
Yeah, that's true. I corner my guideline. I corner one because outside of me, there's umama wangithwasisa. Outside umama wangithwasisa, there's ukhulu, umama owathwasisa umawami. So there are guidelines along the way, but also when it's uMakhosi, like you can't go complaining to mom and cry. When so ulashiwe qhubeka nomsebenzi wakho. So that's when ama guidelines aphuma khona ukuthi hey sekumele manje ngibone ukuthi ikuphi right ikuphi wrong yabo type of stuff.
So since you've done this, what's been the biggest change in like your everyday life?
The biggest change. The biggest change. If I'm gonna be honest, it's gonna sound bad, but I'm gonna be honest because I'm an honest man. Women. I like women. I'm sorry, I like women. I say, oh girl, I'm like, damn, you fine, you look good. Like I don't even need to approach her, but it's women. I can't lay with no women. I can't fool around with any woman. I can't sleep with any woman. Forever. And so, but for now, I mean, angithi uyazi ukuthi khona usisengithandana nawe uthanda. So she was there since the whole time. So sahlanganiswa ngendlela yedlozi yabo safuthi inyongo whatnot. So that's my wife spiritually. But outside of that, you can never touch a booty. Ever. I'm sorry to say that. I'm sorry to say that.
Never touch a booty.
You know, I'm being honest, because I'm a guy first, and it's like, but I'm like, hey, whatever, so that's the biggest change.
And this thing is very, very dope, based on the conversation that we've been now in the past few weeks, about also infidelity and relationships, So I want to try to class with he's a guy. Even though there's a mission, there's something that's bigger than him as an individual. Last year, but ikhona lento esifakele yona ezambani business ukuthi hey dog, you're a guy. Hey dog, can't be tapping one booty for the rest of your life.
You're not wrong. So we're born that way.
Finally, see to understand what must to see abantu abahlukile see deconstruct see deconstruct in our minds in terms of how you move forward in becoming a person that can stay for one woman and be loyal to that one woman without feeling stigmatized with ish saying simp.
There's nothing wrong with being a simp.
Yeah, but I can never. But it's sure to go to njengoba ichazile nayo. Yonke ngisho ufayele ukuthi but I'm a guy. I'm a guy. Ngiyenzama ngiyakona ukuthi we need to try and fight that demon. It's just waking up in the morning and facing a demon. But if it requires you to go for therapy, then go for that.
That's true.
Because ungaba nento right mind, but and still put that poison in your mind. I feel the urge to go back into my old ways or doing the old things. Because I'll start tempo. I'll eat tempo. So ungayitembu kwakho sekuphulela nakumuntu ojola naye ukuthi if it's angiyithembi mina so wenza lento nalento because nawe ngiyazi ukuthi mawungekho nami wenza u120 yabona ukuthi reverse psychology yabo. But back to the conversation ebesikuyona about i-journey yakho. Enye into engifuna ukuyibuza when it comes to lento your chakra. Please make me understand.
It's my favorite topic.
Yeah,
that's my favorite topic.
Please help me out on this one.
Chakra. Izinga lesingisilianyo. Our chakra phela siyawazi from like, we see TV, we see anime, this and that.
That's what I want to know, dog. Is it something that
ekhona ngempela
Hell
or
yeah.
people made it up?
No, man, it's real. Energy is real.
Yeah.
Energy is real. It's so real that
Would you believe in energy?
I believe in energy.
No, like I know we believe in it in that. About like essentially, can I just solely believe in
just
energy?
chakras.
Yes.
Okay.
You like. I feel as if as a person,
Yeah.
you need to believe in that one thing, whether it's you believe in a chakra, you believe in God, you believe in spirits, ghosts, whatever it is.
Yeah.
You need to believe in that one thing. It just needs that one thing. You should grab
Anchor.
it. I believe in this, and it's gonna work for you.
So what do you think happens to atheists that don't believe in nothing?
I don't know about them, because that's scary to not believe in anything.
Nothing.
It's very scary. Because I mean, when I feel to, are you walking day by day, thinking what is something just came out of nowhere?
No Big Bang Theory.
You're telling me, bro, what's you when I feel to
It just happened.
when you just exist?
Yeah.
Nah, not cool.
Oh,
Not cool at
I
all.
think belief also
Not cool at all.
gives you purpose.
True.
In a way.
True.
I think it gives you purpose, and you can always change your belief from anything. But no, but understand a little chakra because now it's deep. But when people are not talking about stones, carrying this stone, I'm like, hi, but no, but
I think, okay, for me, I don't know if stones work, but for some people it do.
It's that belief factor you talk about. It's that belief factor.
It's the belief factor, in fact, because like now I'm manje. Okay, for example, yabo ngiphethe induku. Nina ngizothi induku le. Akusiyona induku le. Isikhali sami. Yini isikhali? It's a weapon. What is it for? It's to defend myself from evil spirits. You may not see it, but I will see it.
Okay.
So this, I believe, is my weapon. So therefore, it's gonna work as what I believe it is supposed to work for.
And then the second one?
And then it's still a weapon. It's
sure.
still a weapon. Everything I'm carrying is a weapon for me right now.
All right.
So mawuthi ichefethu yona nto uthi hayi lento le xosha umoya emibi.
It's my rock.
Then it's gonna eventually, or it's supposed to do that.
More or less like
I
a
think
social type of thing.
I think it has to come within. Fana ukuthi mawuzosebenzisa umuthi mfethu ngeke usebenzise umuthi uthi hayi xa ngifuna ukubona lo muntu lo hayi sebenzisa umuthi ukholwa ukuthi uzosebenza. Yabo, like going to get a job or whatever the case is, believe you're gonna attain something, or believe you already attained something. That's the only way you can move forward.
All right.
That's the only way.
That's fine.
Man, what about when ikhali zakho lezi, are they your physical or spiritual weapons?
Both.
Physically, the second one.
This
No, the other one.
This ishoba leli. Ishoba it's spiritual. Kodwa futhi, let's say mhlambe nginomuntu oyithwasa engimlaphayo and I use this on them. Izosebenza.
Sure.
In whatever way I use it in. Izosebenza. Isikhali, it's either isikhali noma into yokulapha, whatever you wanna call it. But it's a weapon of, I don't know how to carry on.
Has your journey given you identity? Because I feel like you wear it proud.
Oh yeah, man. I mean, I was.
You're unapologetic before. I could say that. You unapologetically afraid you when you were afraid. And now you are unapologetically bootless.
I think it has given. Not I think it has, because, I mean, I see the way I carry myself now and the way I used to carry myself. Like, even like, but the respect they give you based on ukuthi ngifake le attire le. Yabo, it kind of switched in my mind. Okay, these people respect me, so they see something. So that means I am something to these people. So ekhanda ngavele ngaguqula yonke into ngasheshe ngasho ukuthi ayazini nayi identity yami. Ungayiphiki, just live with it. And I'm happy with it. I'm proud, because in fact it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy, and some people take this shit for granted. Because it has helped me in so many ways. In so many ways, in terms of like my thinking, my day-to-day life.
Sure.
Yabo ingqondo ivulekile. Abethi ingqondo ivulekile. Yabo ama chakra engikhuluma ngawo. Third eye open.
Third eye.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because chakra, third eye, same thing, right?
I think it's on the same
More-
line.
yeah.
More or
7
less.
chakras.
Yeah, my third eye is open.
Sure.
My third eye is open, so I do have an identity, proud of it, and I'm wishing, praying, hoping all the good things that I keep it.
Okay.
Because it's a dog world. It should be le manje. Let's not lie to ourselves. Khona abantu abafuna ukujabula, abafuna ubumnandi, and to leave that behind is fucked up.
Yeah.
So I'm cool with this
Complacent
identity.
with that.
I love it. I'm okay with it.
Alright, thanks, dog.
Confidence booster.
Confidence
I love
booster.
it, dog. I'd love to have a peacock factor to me where it's just like, there's that nigga, dog, and he's the only one that's like this. At least.
You are actually.
Huh?
You are the only.
No, I'm so calm with it, dog. I'm so relaxed.
I feel like one day you'll finally probably ukwazi ukuthi uyikhiphe ivumele isebenzele yabo for you.
You know, I'm sorry to cut you off. You know that thing you're talking about, good, now you like to have that peacock factor. As you guys it's all about you.
Yeah,
you don't have to go through something to become.
Yeah.
Even before Ngtwasa or becoming uMakhosi. I don't know how. I'll just say throughout my whole life. But mina bathi mangena endaweni mfethu khona la ngangena khona intombazane yathi hayibo indaba ngithi mina yini uthi you just came with this energy here, what's going on? Mina, no, I don't know what you're talking about. And from that day I was like, oh shit, khona into engihamba nayo. Yeah. So that's why nje inhlezi ngithi mfethu abantu ukuthi they don't want to, it's you have to have, like, you know, like I said in the beginning, hold on to something. Whatever it is, hold on to it. Whether it's to change your appearance, your energy, whatever it is. If it's get in there, when if it's to a damn Mike, if there's no nigga like Mike, there's no nigga like Mike, all type of stuff. So I like the fact that you say you want that to happen in your life, and I hope it happens for everyone. Because it's an awakening. I'd like to call it. It's
within yourself.
It's being comfortable in your own skin.
True.
Yeah. Hopefully one day, I'm going to laureate. With pride.
Yes, this is me. This is I.
Beads and all, dog. So, what's the hardest part about doing this?
Ubesangom?
Yeah.
Oh, for just seeing people, man, in uMakhosi, it's scary. It's draining, emotionally, physically, in every possible way. I'm just scared of anything else that's gonna happen in the future.
uMakhosi, do you mean in the
Eskodlweni?
Oh, okay.
Yes. It's very scary. Everything is scary.
Yeah.
Nothing.
So there's
is not
people in
scary.
the corner Eskodlweni, or when you corner, you can tap into another dimension. Is it like a dimensional type of thing when someone says spiritual realm? When I'm in uMakhosi or Eskodlweni, like, it's a different feeling than when you're outside. Because when you're inside, you're with the people, the owners of the place. So your energy changes. Can't be thinking about bullshit, can't be doing bullshit. Most uMakhosi nje ingqondo yakho fast nje yagoqeka ibe the way idlozi wants it to be. So it's definitely a different dimension or another realm that you enter in. Oh, yeah,
Definitely.
So do you do anything else? Mhlawumbe school besides?
I'm a carpenter. I just cabanga. Yabona nje njengoba ngikhuluma
Look at
ukuthi
his hand, dog.
So I just got my carpentry certificate earlier on this year. I'm proud of, because that's my first certificate. It hasn't been easy. Thank you very much, guys. It hasn't been easy. So that's my first certificate, and I've been just doing like little side projects, building benches, tables. I want to end up going into like furniture, basically. So that's all that's been happening now. What else I'm a musician. Hey, hold up, shit. I'm about to take this off right now. I'm a musician, but fair too. I'm a vocalist. I do photography, like, it's a hobby, but I'm pretty dope at it. I'm a carpenter. I'm gonna say that last because everything else I'm first. And then that's it. That's it. I'm soon going to get back into the music game or try.
I'm just trying to figure out how do you navigate everything from uMakhosi to becoming an artist to becoming a carpenter. How do you navigate yourself all around that?
It's hard. It's very hard. It's very hard because in fact, uzovuka ekuseni uthi namhlanje mfethu ngifuna mfethu ungene estudio namhlanje uthi ngithatha amajita. What's into amajita mfethu? Literally 10 seconds later you're not in the mood.
you're not in the mood. Even if it's in garage, you make some cupboards, whatever the case is. I'll get the well if it's relax like it's very hard. It's very hard. I will not lie to you. It's not the easiest. It's very hard. Angazi noma mfethu idlozi lifuna ngisebenze mfethu umsebenzi walo kuphela noma ngihlanganise kodwa kwamanje ngisazama ukuhlanganisa. Awu ngizobona later mfethu if kushubile imali ayikho.
Yeah,
Imali ayikho
because
so
in other cases le demand ukuthi ufocus kumsebenzi walo kuphela.
oh that's true.
And you finally believe in the process lab. In some days uzolamba, some days uzodla. So some of us learn the fearful to lead. It's like waiting for your dream or actually working a 9 to 5. God, I will going to second. I share let everyone do it. Having gives you manage. He said, "Yeah, I'm destined for great things. I know I'm fair corner whatever I touch turns into manage." So there's another shy of it to go to. It's very not a lot of us can just stop everything and focus on one thing and hope it works out. I'm now little tunnel vision ganjal.
I feel like the thing is support.
Yeah. Financially.
It definitely
not
supports.
even financially, even like most of us and go through all of that. Like how much support did you have? When I'm pretty sure you had a lot, as you said
Nah, not mom. When I said mom, I meant mama because she's a female, so I call her mom.
Sure.
Dude, it's hey guys, I should be. It should be, I'll be honest with you.
That's
even
why,
if you support in faith, because the support can only go so far as financial.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
yeah.
Whether you're feeling like shit or feeling like this or calling through what's this why akakwazi lo uma wakho noma umuntu ozwana naye ukuthi wena what you going through, they can only imagine or think. But deeper when at first you're probably going through the worst, you're probably in the pits type of shit. Yeah, bo. So financially, yes, he supports your corner, and yes, babe support ma, but there were instances like la ebenga understand the corner yena, so it was now a big thing now. Yakumele kwenziwe kanjena kanje. So nje I just say ukuthi rather just financial support, dude. All the other shit, just dug it out. Just dug it out. Just dug. Because ngasuka ekhaya first ngahlela gobela. That shit's not easy, bro. You literally left your whole life behind. Yeah, about type of shit. So nakhona futhi.
And how long did you spend there?
Oh, dude, I spent some time because I think I spent like 4 months first, and then kwaba khona izimo ezenzeka, so I had to go back at home ngaqhubekela ekhaya. But in fact ungabi khona ekhaya mfethu, because for me nice. That was the biggest thing. You don't know where your mom is, don't know how your girl is, don't know how this. You don't even have a girl at the moment. So you don't know how everything is. Now babazi ukuthi njani. So you just have to thug it out. Njengoba tukhuluma le ndaba patience. I like that you spoke on patience too, because for 1 year 8 months khona abantu abahlala fethu 3 years mfethu and abakwazi ukwenza izinto ezithize yabo. So nje fethu I say fethu umuntu fethu mangithu ufunda patience bafethu nginifisela nonke patience bafethu, because I know today ukuthi in the next coming years bafethu bazoyabantu othiwa bathwala uMakhosi lutho kanti ngaba nepatience mfethu. Patience if ngayivumela lento ukuthi take over isikhashana
Acceptance.
and then all the other things all the other things in fact sebezoyiqhaqhazela bona besho ukuthi wena walinda wena ubambe la SUV noma walinda nobambe nasi ispan yabo into enjalo. So yeah man,
aware dog, big ups to you dog, big ups. Like I think nale episode will be a good thing for everyone out there who's going through their journey ukuthi enze show to aqinisa abekezele, which is the biggest keyword from this interview.
Belalele futhi.
Yeah, bekezele. I don't think good things come to those who wait, right?
True.
It's Vuma for now. But Freddie, so where can the good people find you?
Actually, I'll be honest. I did think about this question early on, because I'm sorry to but I have this thing of Uguti. I don't want people to find me through social media.
Okay.
I want people to just find me. Yeah, so I'll just say that. Just find me.
You're not trying to market your shit like that.
Let your ancestors point you to me. Let it be like that, because I don't believe in the social media. This is just a a conversation. This is different. But I don't want to promote none of my businesses nezinto zabantu abadala on social media. So if you're asking where you can find me, listen to your ancestors. Listen to your ancestors. They're going to take you to me. Bazokuletha fethu kumina iqhubekele lapho ke ndaba okunye nokunye ayi.
Oh, big shout out to dog. Big shout out to dog.
BoomMicWonder, we out.
Damn.
Let's go.
Thanks.